Yeah, no, I thought it was two-tone.
G'day guys, welcome back to another episode of Drive and Dive. We're off on the Dunstan Trail today. Try out the new CRF. Just waiting on the other boys. Gramps got a flat tyre, so he's had to go to the Honda shop to get it fixed. Hopefully won't be too far from leaving. Work for the safari. The crows are buried up to its diffs. Good boy CJ, proud of you. Listen, power.
He was fucking buried in there.
Yeah.
Well, that was easy, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Hey dog, there you go.
It's kind of reverse of what should really be happening. The crows should be telling the sap out.
No, mate, no.
You have fucking diff locks in that one, yeah?
Yeah, those.
Is it the V8 one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, they're a weapon of a truck, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Until you get them stuck.
My boss used to run them in the forestry. Oh, well, all adds to the excitement of the day. Hey Jibby.
Exciting.
quality, real nice like.
You're not fucking hot.
Cast a bit further, you might catch a stick H.
How's the ride going, Brad?
It's going. I don't think I've recorded any freshwater fishing action, actually. You might make it fucking famous. You're on YouTube.
That's why I got my fucking GoPro.
Have you caught many people before? Because I caught my brother's ear one time, that was pretty good. Take that. I think I just about caught more people than I've caught fish. My brother caught my dad and made the ODT. How about that? Oh, I'm scaring the fish away, VH. It's probably a bit safer when it's this dirty though, eh? I mean, how much can they see? It's pretty dark water.
Apparently this is the start of the Torrey.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
The start.
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, he got one. What do you call that?
Stickiest.
Stickiest Maximus.
Got so many fish on this hook. Look how bent it is.
We're just right there.
Good.
Used to be trees all around here, but I cut them down.
Willow, it's never far from bloody water, is it?
No,
You can use it as like a natural sort of rooting hormone, I think.
yeah.
Put willow sticks in water and then put other stuff in it. Makes some root. Could be lying.
Hold the banks to be true.
You know, when you see like willow sticks in the water and they naturally just start rooting this stuff,
Oh,
these
right.
trees.
Yeah.
It's quite out of it stuff.
The farmer down there, this little stream just chucks fucking. He's just got like random sticks all around the bank just to try and hold it in.
Yeah, right.
Keep him going.
Can't complain about the scenery, can you? I love it up here.
Nice, fucking beautiful.
How many trips have you done with these boys? Half a dozen or so?
No, this is my first one.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Yeah. That's good.
H's definitely a regular. It's my first as well with these guys.
It's good to get out of town for a few days, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, same. Yeah, we used to do it every Labour weekend.
Yeah.
Stay up Pulburn, around the lake,
Yeah.
the old scout cabin.
That used to be a prison.
Crack up. Be a cold, miserable hole in winter, imagine that. Wonder if they lit the fire for them. Chuck some wet blankets in there. Yeah, because there's the Gale, the old jail up at Pulburn, eh?
Yeah, the open one.
G-A-O-L, isn't it? The old school name for jail. Gale.
That's what
Tis.
is it?
Dunedin used to have a Gale.
It's got still got the bars.
Yeah, right.
I've been deceived in the air. Hard to believe it. Took it around and feel it. What was represent? New book of things hand in hand. Nobody can control this feeling. Take my hand, light me up.
Oh, it was lucky. It started running like a bag again, but not enough to fucking slow me down too much. So I just eased off on the straights. Awesome. Cheers, boys. Enjoyed that. There's some fucking riding companions. Do it again real soon, eh? Yeah, same to you, Craig.
I'll send you that thing, so.
Yeah, well, Drive and Dive's the name of my YouTube channel as well.
Oh, yeah,
You
no.
drive to your dive swap. So drive, the and logo, dive.
Oh, yeah.
Drive and dive.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right, boys. boys? Good, looking good.
The one video I didn't take a time lapse, the bike was fucking blowing up, so we didn't get any good footage.
Bad.
Pedro. The bike on? Let's go.
New name.
Yeah.
Mind if I call you Pedro?
Yeah, no man. You good? Safe? Good boy. Oh no. Keep going. Keep going. Two-wheel double Jazzy, was it? So. Don't do a Jesse and blow the guard off and droll it the bitch. Poor bugger. I was only a couple of years back and he fucking went straight in that ditch up there and he had to get fucking pulled out. Tyre treads are clean anyway. That's the main thing. You good? Nice to meet you. What was your name again, brother? Brad? Matt? Yeah, good on you. You're on YouTube now anyway. Drive and dive. Drive and dive? Yeah, the and logo. Yeah. Yeah, volcanic columns, aren't they? Never seen them. Alright. So ink. Yeah.
Well, I booked a 2-day pass. So I don't go miles and
Yeah, we'll do it. Yeah, I was going to say, safe travels, lads. I'll see you when I'm looking at you. Yes?
So someone was paid to put their vehicle through search for 5 years, and they can go to that.
Ah, light. They're about 100 and, well, they're either 98 or 104 dry. Without fuel and shit. So pretty good. Like, you fucking pick it up. I was putting it in the van and I was like, fucking just had it gammy and fucking lifted it off the ground.
Yeah.
Donnie, you're a fucking monster. You're a Sasquatch, Donnie. Yeah, you fucking blow your jacket out, but you find out what she fucking weighs. I haven't got any weight. You got it all. Right. Who's got it? And I'll go up. I'll go over into here.
See you later, Davey.
See you, boys. Cheers. Pleasure indeed.
There you go, Brad.
Godspeed, lads. God fucking speed. I'll see you when I'm looking at you. Oh yeah, fuck yeah, he's in. Go out, boys. This bumpy side of the trail. How come you're not singing, James?